We're off on a 2-week journey through the country of Italy with a quick stop in Vatican City. We're going to be venturing through 5 areas of the country: Rome, Amalfi Coast, Tuscany, Cinque Terre, and Venice. This is our 12-day jam-packed full agenda. It's going to be a blast. Stay tuned to the end if you're looking for recommendations on where to eat, things to do, or look out for. Our first stop, Rome. Here we go. You ready for this, Heidi?
I'm ready.
Sarah?
Definitely ready.
Chad?
Absolutely.
You ready, Scott?
Yes, sir.
It is so much better when there's water in it.
Yes, I agree.
And a lot less people. We had a long, hard day of walking. We're going to get some dinner.
Wine. Lots of wine.
Where are we?
Michi Roma. Cheese wheel pasta place. The bouncer guy totally got me. I had a reservation and he told me they were closed. And then he told me there was no other cheese wheel pasta places in the area. I was devastated.
Why are we here?
Because I wanted cheese wheel pasta really badly. It is pasta cooked, and then they stir it in this big cheese wheel and make it extra cheesy.
Buongiorno.
Buongiorno.
It's more sugar.
love it. Hi, Chad.
Hi, Mark.
You look tired.
Little.
Pretty excited, Mark.
Not very many people get back here. We may not get to actually get another video or picture after this one. Sorry to have to interrupt, but this was a very limited opportunity to get to go below the Vatican into the necropolis. But unfortunately, I don't have much to share because they do not allow video or photography. The necropolis is the underground cemetery that St. Peter's Cathedral was built on, including the grave of St. Peter himself. In the necropolis, 2,000 years ago, they literally built houses as their family vault. All of this was buried over in dirt over the years, and then the cathedral was built on top of it. This opportunity to be able to go down, the six of us, to see and walk through the necropolis, here's some examples of what it looks like, was an opportunity that only 250 people get per day. Something you need to apply for well in advance. We started about 5 months prior to our travels. We were fortunately accepted, but we did not know until about 2 months, a month before we were arriving. All right, now back to the video. What are we in line for?
An elevator to then take a walk 300 steps up the dome for an amazing view from.
And I heard it's the world's largest dome.
That's what I heard.
We're doing it. Oh. Oh my word. Those people look so tiny.
This is cool.
And we're gonna go up there somewhere. Alright, here we go. Is getting to walking sideways. Oh, you got a rope to hold on to? What are we gonna see? Did it.
I know, I feel like I'm in class. I'm trying to pay attention. It's hard for me to laugh.
That can't be good.
You have the essentials?
Yes.
What do you got?
The $800 a night apartment we got. Obviously, you know, toilet paper's extra.